Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see the fourth topic of algebra, that is arithmetic progression. If you haven't watched my previous topics, link in the description box below, you can check that out. Now let's move on to arithmetic progression. Before going to the definition of arithmetic progression, first let's understand what do you mean by arithmetic progression. Consider the following list of numbers. Here, each number is called as a term. Now if you see the first list of number, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here, second number, that is 2. 2 is 1 more than its preceding number. Here the preceding number is 1. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2, right? Similarly, if you see the third number, here the third number is 3. So 3 is 1 more than its preceding number. Here its preceding number is 2, right? So 2 plus 1 will give you 3 and so on. So in each case 1 is constant, right? Agreed? So now let's see the second set of numbers. Here we have 100, 70, 40, 10 and so on. So here second term 70 is 30 less than its preceding number, right? That is 100 minus 30 will give you 70. And the third number here we have 40. So 40 minus 30 will give you 70. Similarly 10 minus 30 will give you 40 and so on. So in this case the constant is minus 30, right? So now if you see the third set of numbers, we have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and so on. So now the minus 2 is obtained by adding plus 1 to the preceding term, that is minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2, right? Similarly, minus 1 is obtained by adding plus 1 to its preceding number, that is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus 1 and so on. So therefore the constant here is plus 1, right? That is minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, right? So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Similarly, minus 1 plus 1 is 0 and so on. So now if you see the fourth set of numbers, we have 3, 3, 3, 3 and so on, right? So 3 minus 3 is 0. Similarly, 3 minus 3, that is third term minus second term will give you 0. So the constant here is 0, right? So these list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding number except for the first term is called as arithmetic progression. So now let's write the definition of arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except for the first term. That is, here the fixed number is nothing but your constant, right? That is 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3 plus 0 is 3 and so on, right? In this case minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So the fixed number in this case is plus 1, right? So I hope you got an idea what is arithmetic progression. So here the fixed number is called as common difference. So this can be a positive or negative as we have seen here, right? Here the common difference is plus 1. So here the common difference is minus 30. So it can be positive or negative. So now if you have a list of numbers, say A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on till AN, number just before AN is AN minus 1, right? So if you have this list of numbers, then common difference, which is denoted as D, is equal to AN minus AN minus 1. So common difference is given as D is equal to AN minus A of n minus 1. That is a number minus its preceding number. So in order to find the common difference between these two numbers, so a number that is a2 minus its preceding number is a1, that is a2 minus a1. Similarly, in order to find the common difference between a2 and a3, then a3 minus its preceding term, that is a2. So common difference is given by an minus a of n minus 1. So let's see this in the example. So now let's see this example. We have shown that the progression 11, 6, 1, minus 4 and so on are in AP. Find the first term, common difference and next term. So first let's write this list of numbers. We have 11, 6, 1, minus 4 and so on. Right? So we have to show that this sequence of numbers are in AP. So we know for a list of numbers to be in AP, their common difference should be equal, right? So first let's see the common difference. So common difference D is given by an minus a of n minus 1, right? So in this case 11 is a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on, right? So now let's find the common difference between a1 and a2. So common difference D is equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to a2 is 6 minus a1 is 11, which will give you minus 5, right? Similarly, to find the common difference between a2 and a3, we have D is equal to a3 minus a2, which is nothing but here a3 is 1 minus a2 is 6. So in this case also 1 minus 6 is minus 5, right? Similarly, we will find the common difference between a3 and a4. So we have common difference D is equal to a4 minus a3, which is equal to, here a4 is minus 4 minus a3 is 1, right? So this will give you minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So the common difference here is minus 5, right, which is a constant. So therefore common difference is minus 5, right? They have asked find the first term. In this case the first term is 11. So first term is 11 and common difference is minus 5 and your next term. So the next term can be found by using the same formula, that is D is equal to here a5 minus a4, right? We know the common difference is minus 5, which is equal to a5 we don't know minus a4 is minus 4, right? Which implies minus 5 is equal to a5 plus 4. Minus of minus is plus. So this will give you a5 is equal to minus 5 minus 4. So minus 5 and minus 4 will give you minus 9. So therefore your a5 is minus 9. So general form of AP, that is how to write the arithmetic progression. That is a list of numbers. It's given by a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. Now let's see how to write this AP. For instance, they have given your first term is 6 and the common difference is, so now how to write this arithmetic progression? Here a is 6, so first term is 6, right? So second term is a plus d, here a is 6 plus 3, right? And your third term is a plus 2d, here a is 6 plus d is 3, 2 into 3, right? And your fourth term is a plus 3d, a is 6 plus 3 into d is 3 and so on. So your arithmetic progression will be 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 and so on. So therefore the arithmetic progression can be written by using this formula. So we will see this in the example. Now let's see this example. We have root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on. Check if sequence is in AP, find the common difference and next term. This sequence of numbers is said to be in AP if the common difference is same or equal, right? First let's write the sequence. We have root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on, right? So first let's write this in the simplest form, that is root 2, root 8 can be written as root 2 into 2 4s are 8, right? So here 2 into 2 9s are 18. So here 2 into 2 16s are 32, right? And so on. So we have root 2. Here root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 2, right? In this case root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 2. Here root of 16 is 4, so 4 root 2 and so on. Now we brought this sequence to this form, right? So here A1 is this, A2 is this, A3 is this and A4 and so on. So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 2 root 2 minus root 2, which will give you 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is 1 root 2, right? Similarly, common difference between A2 and A3. So D is equal to A3 minus A2. Here A3 is 3 root 2 minus A2 is 2 root 2, which will give you, so 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 root 2, right? Similarly, between A3 and A4, we have D is equal to A4 minus A3, which is equal to 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, which will also give you 1 root 2. So therefore, the common difference is root 2. Therefore, this sequence of numbers is in AP. Now we have to find the next term. So here the general form of AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. Here we want 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? A plus 4D. So fifth term is A plus 4D. So fifth term A plus 4D is equal to, A here is the first term, that is root 2 plus 4 into, here difference is root 2, right? So this will be 4 plus 1 is 5 root 2. So the fifth term is 5 root 2, which is nothing but root of 2 into 25, that which is nothing but root of 50. So this is it in this video. I hope you got an idea what are arithmetic progressions. If you did, do hit the like button and share it to the friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.